Okay, so now I want to find the 75th term. So this is actually writing a formula for the nth term, not using n minus 1. Because suppose I want the 75th term. Way the heck out here. Lots and lots of stuff in between. Which means I have to, as in the previous example, figure out that I'm adding 4 to each. Adding 4. I have to add 4. Oh my gosh. I have to add 4 a gazillion more times to get there. So when you think of it that way, and you go, okay, I don't want to say add 4 to the previous term because I don't know what the 74th term is. If somebody would just give me the 74th term, this would be very easy. I would just add 4 and we'd be on our way. So I need to do something else instead. So I need to figure out how many spaces in between and maybe multiply those spaces by 4 and then add those. That's a possibility. I can do something, well, this is from the 6th to the 75th. What if I started with the 1st and went to the 75th? So how could I say, okay, start at 7, which is the first term, and then I need to add 4, but I need to add 4 how many times? Well, I need to add it not 75 times because I really, if I count from here, it's actually going to be 74 times, right? Because if I, suppose I wanted to do just this piece, I start with 7, and to get to term 3, I would say add 4 twice. So doing just this piece, where are my highlighters? Doing just this piece here, I do 7 plus 4 times 2. Right, so these two 4s, this is 4 times 2, and this gives me the 3rd term. So what is this 2? This 2 is the same as 3 minus 1. This 3 is the same as this 3. So if we looked at it from the point of view of using maybe these 5 terms, we could say the 6th term is the first term, plus 4 times, how many do we need? That's adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, again, this 5 is 6 minus 1. So here's my 6th term, there's the 6. So for the nth term, I have the nth term equals, I'm still going to use the first term, plus, and I'm adding 4 times, this number is always this guy minus 1. So this is n minus 1. Now, I specifically started this saying I'm not going to ask for the n minus 1th term. Notice I'm not actually asking for the term itself. I don't need to know what this term is. I'm actually using the number 74 when I do this. So the 75th term is 7 plus 4 times 74. So I don't need the term. This number is not going to be 74. It's the 74th spot. So what's 4 times 74? 28, 29. 296. So 7 plus 296 is, oh wow, 303. So the 75th term is 303. Notice that means the 74th term is 299, right? Because we subtract 4 to go here. So I have the 75th 75th term, and here is my formula for the nth term of the sequence.